Welcome to my YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. I hope you liked my previous video, thanks for that. Let's start our new video with the name of Allah, who is only one. Today our topic is a healthy lifestyle. Taking care of your health is arguably the most important thing you can do for yourself. Whether you make a point to eat more fruits and vegetables or get outside for a daily walk, there isn't just one way to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle can help prevent chronic diseases and long-term illnesses. Feeling good about yourself and taking care of your health are important for your self-esteem and self-image. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by doing what is right for your body. Here are some suggestions to better improve your health. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Add variety to your meals. Cut back on salt. Limit your sugar intake. Avoid unhealthy fats. 2. Stay well hydrated. Remember to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Not drinking enough water can cause dehydration, fatigue, headache, dry skin, and weakened immunity. 3. Exercise regularly. Try to get at least 150 minutes of exercises a week or 30 minutes of exercise at least 5 days a week. 4. Get enough good sleep. There is a strong link between sleep and the immune system. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep. 5. Limit your alcohol intake. Drinking alcohol in excess can lead to liver diseases and even liver cancer in the long run. 6. Do not smoke. Smoking is the leading cause of lung cancer across the globe. 7. Protect yourself from the sun. Frequent and long-term sun exposure is associated with a greater risk of skin cancer. Avoid staying out in the sun for long. 8. Wash your hands. Washing your hands frequently with soap and water or using an alcohol-based sanitizer is a simple but effective way to stop the spread of infection. 9. Manage your stress. Stress is a known trigger for many illnesses from migraines to heart problems. Find ways to relieve stress, whether it's watching a funny movie, painting, going for long walks, working in the garden, listening to music, or soaking in a bubble bath. 10. Practice safe sex. Taking care of your sexual health is important for your overall health. Practice safe sex by using condoms to prevent HIV and other sexually transmitted infections, such as gonorrhea and syphilis. 11. Avoiding harmful habits. Limiting alcohol consumption, avoiding smoking and drug use, and not engaging in risky behaviors contribute to a healthy lifestyle. 12. Meditate. Daily meditation helps reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional well-being. Even a few minutes each day can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. 13. Yoga. Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices or disciplines which originated in ancient India and aim to control and still the mind, recognizing a detached witness consciousness untouched by the mind and mundane suffering. 14. Have breakfast. It's important for a bunch of reasons. It jumpstarts your metabolism and stops you from overeating later. 15. Be active. Physical activity is defined as any bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure. This was the information we shared with you. Now we will share with you healthy food here until you can select them and live a healthy life. Because good food is a sign of good health. So we should choose such food which is not only delicious, but also keeps us healthy. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal keeps cholesterol in check, helps fight against heart disease, and keeps you full until lunch, thanks to its soluble fiber. 2. Mushrooms. Meaty and filling, as a stand-in for beef. Mushrooms can slash up to 400 calories from a meal. 3. Greek yogurt. Rich in probiotics, bacteria that may improve digestion and increase your immunity. This extra thick style of yogurt can contain 8 grams more protein per serving than unstrained yogurt. 4. Edamame. These young soybeans pack more fiber per serving than shredded wheat cereal and are one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. 5. Kiwi. Ounce for ounce. This fuzzy fruit contains more vitamin C than an orange and is a good source of potassium and fiber. 6. Sweet potatoes. The darker the color, the richer these tubers are in the antioxidant beta-carotene. 7. Kale. The payoff from this leafy green. Loads of calcium, vitamin C, beta-carotene, and a variety of other antioxidants. Kale is also a good source of lutein, an eye-friendly nutrient that may slow the development of macular degeneration. 8. Barley. Another high-fiber cholesterol fighter. On weeknights, use the pearl or quick-cooking variety. More time? Give whole barley, with its extra layer of bran, a try. 9. Pumpkin. The antioxidants in this winter squash keep skin healthy. Its potassium helps lower blood pressure. 10. Chard. Chard is supercharged with nutrients. Think calcium, B vitamins, and beta-carotene. This leafy green fuels your body with fiber, too. 11. Bulgur. Made from wheat that has been steamed, dried, and cracked, bulgur delivers more fiber than brown rice, plus you get a boost of potassium, B vitamins, and calcium. 12. Whole grain pasta. Whole grain pasta contains 3 times the amount of fiber per serving as the typical semolina variety. Skip pasta that is labeled multigrain, as it may be made with several grains that aren't necessarily whole ones. 13. Black beans. These burrito mainstays boast antioxidants and magnesium, which help maintain nerve and muscle function. They're also a source of potassium and fiber. 14. Spinach. You'll get iron, folate, and at least a dozen flavonoids, compounds that are loaded with antioxidants. 15. Kidney beans. A chili essential, kidney beans are a plant-based protein packed with fiber. They're also a great source of antioxidants. Use all these things in your diet and stay healthy, because good health is wealth. Nice to share this little information with you. I hope you will like it, and you will encourage me. If you want us to share this kind of information with you, then like, follow, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Thank you so much.